Power Presenter. A powerful and very affordable app which allows users to present slideshows in a vivid way through several available animations and also, if desired, using the ink pencil to draw or highlight important pieces during our presentation. Power Presenter allows multiple slides to be created for a single project, then we can use several animations that will make our presentation looks alive. We can add images and texts. Animated GIFs are also supported. These are some of the supported animations: appear, disappear, fade in, fade out, move, resize, change opacity of an image or text. A single image or text allows multiple animations to be associated with it, which will be triggered when we click on it in presentation mode. In slideshow or presentation mode, we can also draw using the ink pencil. With that, we can highlight important parts of the presentation. Let's show this in action. Open Power Presenter and create a new project. In the first slide, we will talk about the sun. We can change the background to a different color, or we can change it to be an image of our choice. In this case, we select the color that will match with the image of the sun that we will add next. We add the image of the sun as an animated GIF. The animated GIF will be shown in slideshow mode. As in edit mode, it's just displayed as a static image. We also add text explaining some things about the sun. We also configure some animations. The source and destination of any animation can either be an image or text. In our project, when we click in some of the objects on the screen, we will display the desired image and/or text. The animations are manually triggered when we click on the chosen image or text, as the person who is presenting the slides goes through the presentation. The animations can be configured by selecting an image or text on the canvas. Then on the right-hand side, we can add the corresponding animations that will be triggered when we are in slideshow mode, as we click on the source image or text. We will now add a second slide and we will talk about the moon. We select the background color and we add the images and texts. The moon is an animated GIF. Similar to the image of the sun, it will be animated in slideshow mode. we configure the animations that will be triggered during the presentation. We can create as many slides as we want. Note that we can also copy and paste text or images from applications like Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word, which is a great feature. In case of text, we could format it as we want in PowerPoint or Word and copy and paste it in Power Presenter, which will come as an image keeping the same formatting. Once we are done, we click on the button to switch to slideshow mode. In presentation or slideshow mode, we can see our slides and our images and texts in full screen. Look at the sun and at the moon. They are animated GIFs that are now playing. The animations will be triggered as we click on the images and or texts based on the animations that we previously configured. Also, note that we can select and move the images and texts on the screen even in slideshow mode, which might be useful in some situations. Different than other programs that don't allow that during the presentation. We can switch to another slide by clicking on the arrows that we have added, which trigger going to the next or previous slide, or we could also have used the up and down arrows for that. Another option would be to use the toolbar, which has the buttons to move to the next or previous slide. Note that the toolbar can be hidden if we want, by clicking on the close button. Then after that we could use the F12 key to bring it back onto the screen if desired. We can also move the toolbar by dragging it to the desired location. In slideshow mode we can also use the drawing pencil to highlight or draw anything we want. We can configure its color and size. We can also erase any drawings that we have made. We also have the option to add a text during slideshow mode. The text will only be shown here and won't be available anymore once we go back to edit mode. Power Presenter is a powerful slide presentation program that can be useful to be used at work or to record your personal videos using a powerful full-screen presentation program for a fraction of the cost of other famous apps that are available in the market.